Tinned fish are having such a big moment right now, and I've been really inspired by these little guys and have been making a lot of sardines in my artwork lately. And so I wanted to walk you through a tutorial today on my process. I've always loved tinned fish, but recently they've been popping up in all sorts of fashion and artwork. I was really inspired by Bottega Veneta's sardine bag that they came out with, I think, a couple years ago. So I made my own out of cardboard and paper bags. This paper one is good for now, but I've also been creating a lot of individual sardines to make a school of them like this, and even pieces of sardines in some of my food art. So this should be a fun, quick tutorial, and yeah, let's get started. And that's it. Now you have your own little sardine. Feel free to make 1 to 100 more so that you have your own school. Thanks for watching. Bye.